Here are your headlines from KPRC Channel 2 and click2houston.com.
Good evening. I'm Bill Baeza with KPRC Channel 2 News. Here are the stories making headlines tonight. Mexico's federal government has declared a state of disaster in Mexico City following a deadly earthquake. This 7.1 magnitude quake has killed at least 139 people, and the death toll is rising. The quake was centered near the town of Raboso, about 76 miles southeast of Mexico City. A woman 9 months pregnant is reportedly caught shoplifting at a Target store. Authorities say her water broke while store security tried to apprehend her. Records show 31-year-old Catherine Schmidt was caught shoplifting at Memorial City Mall Target with her 2 young children in tow. Schmidt was previously arrested in 2015 on theft charges. Imagine walking out of your garage to find a sinkhole threatening your driveway. One man in the A-Leaf area says he's been dealing with it since Harvey. Michael Miller lives along Bell Park and says crews worked on the sewer weeks before the storm hit and the ground gave way. Public Works tells us plans to make the repair have been finalized. Crews will be out there as soon as possible to fix the problem. For our weather, expect a mild, humid night overnight with temperatures in the mid-70s.